Okay, what's up guys, welcome to the channel. So today I'll be showing you how to check if your computer is compatible with the new Windows 11 that was just released. So Windows 11 was released today. It's got some exciting features. If you want to see what's new, you can check out that video below. I did a video on my other channel, Karekajnr YouTube. And yeah, let's get into it. So to check if your PC is compatible, you will have to download this app called PC Health Check. So the PC Health Check application is available on the Microsoft website. I'll also give you a link down below to know where you can get it. So generally, once you open the app, as of now I don't have an internet connection, but it will still work. So here you can see it gives you a summary of the name of your computer. So I've named mine desktop Novichok, and then the RAM capacity, mine has 4 GB RAM and 500 GB HDD, and it is 8 years old, so you can estimate when I got it. So I did some time back there. So before we get into that, you can see that this application has some other features. So it tells you the storage capacity, the startup time, the battery capacity, Windows updates, backup and sync, all those good things. So yeah, so generally to check if your PC is compatible with in Windows 11, you just have to click here, check now, and let's see. Yeah, it says this PC can't run Windows 11. While this PC doesn't meet the requirement, system requirements to run Windows 11, you will keep getting Windows 10 updates. So it seems that these PCs are little too old to get Windows 11, but I can continue getting updates. So the reason why I won't get these updates is because the features that my computer has aren't like good enough for Windows 11. So these are the features that you will need, the minimum system requirements that you will need in order to install Windows 11. So the first one, you will need a 1 GHz processor or with 2 cores or more on a compatible 64-bit processor or system on a chip or SoC. So the next thing you will need is a 4 GB RAM. So at least 4 GB RAM. As you can see, I've passed that one. So the next thing for storage, you will need 64 GB or larger storage device. So if you can look at mine right here, you will see that it's 44% full. When we expand this one, you will see I have 180 GB space left, so that is enough. So the next thing for system firmware, you will need UEFI secure boot capable. So the computer must be capable to use UEFI secure boot, and yeah, this one has that one also. So let's continue. So the next thing you will need is a trusted platform module or TPM version 2.0. You will also need a graphics card, DirectX 12 compatible graphics, or you can use another one called WDDM2X. So for the display, this machine I am using right now, it's a 15-inch laptop. So you will need at least a computer with 9 inch, that's 9 inches or bigger, with HD resolution of like 720p. So 720p is like HD resolution. At least this one has 1080p, so it has passed that one. So the one last thing that you will need for Windows 11 when installing it, that is, you will need an internet connection, a Microsoft account, and an internet connectivity required for setup for Windows 11 Home. Windows 11 Home, when you're installing it, you will need an internet connection, and also you will need a Microsoft account. Generally, those are the things that you will need when installing the new Windows 11. Windows 11 has not come out yet. It will be coming out later this year. But yeah, you can check your PC. If it has that, you can download this application called PC Health Check on the Microsoft website. I'll link it down below. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you enjoyed the video and you like this type of content, please subscribe to the channel and leave a like, comment down below. And I hope to see you on the next video. So Karekajnr signing out. Peace.